6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sub. And sub. Main 3, 2, and 3, and 1, and sub, and 3, and 1, and sub. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sub. And sub. Main 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, sub, and sub, sub, and sub, sub, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and sub, and 1, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, sub, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and sub, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, sub, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, and sub, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, and sub, and 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and sub, 2. Flexibility. Right? Just do some space. I think with the metronome. We can hear it here. In the pattern of French 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, proportion all the time. Petrushka sketch. All that thing. Yesterday. Start the feeling there all the time. Just feeling 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. You want a difficult one? Don't do anything. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Endless exercise. Do practice that. You teach your body all those sort of things like that. At least I know what to do. Sometimes I cannot find the button for some reason. I never understood why my dad couldn't do an email, and I would say to him, "Come on, it's easy, man. I can't." He never made it. Same happens to me. That phone is quite good. I'm pretty sure I use about 3% of it. And the other 70% I have to ask my girls, can you help me with this? Teach me. No, you won't understand. That's like that. So, I understand that, and when they go, I say, technology. Too much. I don't know how you deal with iPads. Difficult. Because I see the iPad is fine, it's very good. But for me, that page that was there is there, and that one is there, so I need to see. I know there are some ones too expensive. Right. Pauses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Pause and carry the sound. 3, 4, 1. Pause and carry. Pause. Carry. That was too late. Pause. 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 Go. Pause. The other one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. There. Cut. And 3, 4. 1. Pause. There. We go to the right. And 4. 1, 3. Pause. 1, 2. Pause. There. We go up. And 1, 2, 3. 1. Let's do a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pausing 1. So we have to do all there, isn't it? So it's and 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1. Pause there. So we have to go to that side. So we go and here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Pause there. So we have to go to that side of the triangle. So we go and 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. So as I say, endless exercises. The tone fifth. Come on. Ready, everyone? Fortissimo. Breathe. Once more. There are some people who do this. And that's safe. The difficult thing is who conducted that yesterday? It was you. That's the one. It was very clear for the second violins. Here. only forte. Now fortissimo. Yeah. Second movement. Right. So we normally say that one upbeat would be enough, or one beat before the beginning of the music. But for this moment, there's a feeling that the music starts in one, so we have to be up, so we go 1, 2. Now sing. Scherzo. So we have to go down. So find your center here and then you go up. Here, drop. 1. You see, Valerie, where are you? Valerie?
Hey.
All right. So when you go, you get you just you go passive and then you have to go down. Right? Let's do it once. So with that, with it. Drop. Little salsato. And I said some of the groups. Don't do both the same. The first one is one way, and the second one is finishing the phrase. The first one is in the middle of a long phrase, and the second one is the end of that phrase. Right, here we go. 1. Drop. Don't encourage fortissimo. I know they have fortissimo. I mean, they play with the modern instrument. Just a forte will be fine. So this is the fourth thing. Drop. Only forte. Fortissimo wins. Fortissimo string. See, interesting the way it's written. Few places, because normally Beethoven writes vertical, everything for everyone. Here, he writes one thing, just for. And then, fortissimo for 4 bars for the woodwinds, and then the fortissimo for 4 bars for the strings. Right? 7 bars before the beginning of the last movement. Right? sound. It's not. Feel songs, chansons de liberté. Gardiner, he recorded with the orchestra of the Age of Enlightenment about 25 years of first set of the Beethoven symphonies. Which is very good, I find, with the old criteria in a new recording. And then in the time of pandemic, he also did another recording, and there are some videos that supports the recordings, the video recordings, and he talks about it. Listen to the one of the fifth, and also see those videos because that orchestra, they play with all instruments made in modern times, so with no troubles of intonation and things like that. New instruments of the old type but with high technology. So it's the old instrument, but very well done, with all the things. So I find that's very curious. And you will see the balance. Now, the number of strings is quite reduced. And then you see how two trumpets, two horns, they balance pretty well with all the winds, especially with the bassoons, with the horns as we talked yesterday. So 7 bars before. A little slow. Remember, it's 92 and then it's 96 and then it's 84. So it's a little less. It's not a direct relationship. Okay? So they have to play 16. That takes a little time. All right, here we go. Tarita piccolo. Don't encourage the horns there. Full of songs. Beginning of La Première. I wish to keep it alive. Do we do? Mi, mi, fa, si, la, do, re, do, re. It's there. Mi, da, di, la, do, re, do, re. See? It's not. Nothing happens. It's a big noise happening. Silence. Later on, you give that beat that goes in 12, in 8, and in 4. Right? You remember that Bobby was telling me. So let's talk. Flutes in 12. Now, 4, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now 4. So let's flip the function. We don't do it right. Here we go. You see, technique is something that we practice to learn it, and then to put that at the service of the music. And that's the equation. Make that be part of you. I went the very long way because I didn't believe in that. It took a long time, more than a year, in order to understand the whole thing and really. And since then, I've been somehow teaching it. You know, it's like a religion. You know, I was converted. Right. Thank you.